This is GAM 470, assignment 2. For question 1, the main thing is that we needed to include colors in the vertices. And so then, obviously, when we run it, we get this blended color. For the second problem, it's the same shape, but we wanted solid colors. So to do that, we had to add duplicate vertices with both the yellow color and the corresponding blue, green, red. And so that's what that looks like. For question 3, after changing the simple vertex to have color before position, the reason why it didn't work is because we also needed to change the input layout to have color before position. Run that. Now it works. For the fourth problem, we had to modify the HLSL file, and so to have also have the vertex data be position and then an int for the color, and then return the corresponding index for the array of the active colors. And so then over here, then we have obviously yellow and red to start out with. So that's what shows up. And then to change all of these, all you have to do is change the corresponding colors right here. That. Alright. And as you can see, you only need to change the colors in that one spot, and it changes the colors on the screen. The difference between constant buffer allows you to store shader constants. So instead of storing a bunch of different colors, in this case, corresponding to each vertex here, which takes up a lot more memory than just saving an int. So you're able to store all that information in a smaller memory size. So all the colors corresponding to all of these vertices are in a simple array just containing 2 different colors. So it saves on size that way. For the second problem and further work, the reason why it shows up with just the triangle is that that's the only thing that's being rendered. The rest of the screen is just a plain background. And so the further away you are on the triangle from the center of the screen, the more white you get, as opposed to what you wanted, where the whole screen was further away from the center, the more white that you get. So the rest of the screen is not rendered. You just apply the backdrop. And that's it for assignment 2.